Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you new liquid glass launcher for your any Android device. And most important thing about this launcher, guys, you configure liquid glass effect like iOS 27 on this launcher. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first go to Play Store and search Liquid Glass Launcher and download this launcher on your Android device. This launcher download link available on description. Simply click and download. After download, simply tap and open. Tap on agree. Tap on OK. And look at this new Liquid Glass Launcher on your Android device. Simply tap and OK. Now let me show you first launcher setting. Make sure first set this launcher as default launcher. Now go to launcher setting and tap on liquid glass, and guys, you completely configure liquid glass effect from this launcher like completely iOS 27. Look at this reflection, offset, blur, depression, stroke width, stroke intensity and stroke inset. For now, simply go back. Now next you set also desktop icon, drawer icon and some settings, home screen style, app drawer, dock, folder. Look at this folder style, theme and look, and you also set custom icon packs from Play Store. Now go back, enable notification badges, now simply go back, notification badges, gesture action. Guys, you also set pattern lock on this app from this launcher. Simply tap on more, and this is more setting. Now first let me show you how to change wallpaper. Simply tap and hold, go to wallpaper, tap on local wallpaper and you set wallpaper also from gallery like this. Now let me show you how to configure liquid glass effect. Simply go to launcher setting, go to liquid glass and look at this reflection, offset, blur effect, dispersion, stroke width, stroke intensity, now simply tap on save and look at this liquid glass effect, folders, guys, you expand folder like this. And you also add new widgets from this launcher. Look at these. So guys, you also install this new Liquid Glass launcher on your any Android device and configure Liquid Glass effect like iOS 27 on your Android device. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.